We look forward to welcoming you home to Springhill Apartments. This quiet park-like setting is just the place for you to call home. You'll love the on-site playground, the beautiful swimming pool, and the lively community clubhouse that offers billiards and exciting social activities for residents of all ages. You could also get a fabulous workout in our well-equipped fitness center. Our spacious pet-friendly 1- and 2-bedroom apartments will make you feel at home the minute you walk in. You'll love the cozy feeling that the all-electric kitchen and separate dining space offers. You can also enjoy quiet, cool evenings on your private patio or balcony. Our community is perfectly located just minutes from downtown Indianapolis, with easy access to I-65 and I-465. We're also a short walking distance from the bus line and close to Pike Township schools. You'll never miss a beat being this close to all your favorite shopping, dining, and nightlife venues. We can't wait to meet you at Springhill Apartments. Call today to schedule your appointment.